Well, hello everybody. I just bought myself some 308 bullets, and we're going to see how they look. 540 rounds for $219 on sportsmanguide.com. So let's have a look and see what's in this box. Ooh, look at there. Comes in a nice box. Well, the catalog's a little messed up, but that's who I bought them from. Let's see how they look. Got a little tie on here, little metal tie, so you know they haven't been opened. That's pretty cool. I like that they came in a box too. Wow. Now that's pretty cool. Boxes. About 27, 40 rounds in each box. Wow, there's several boxes in there. And there they are. Wow, pretty nice looking bullet. All sealed real nice. We got pretty nice looking bullets. 308. I like that they come 40 in a box. Let's see how many boxes we got out of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, see what that's about with the little ones. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 boxes of 40 and 1 box of 20. That, my friends, is quite a load of ammo. And I'm going to take it to the range tomorrow, and we're going to shoot some ammo and see how good they are, see how well they shoot and how accurate they are. See you tomorrow. Everybody take care. Have a nice day.